Um, again, with regards to the 89.9 billion, because it's not only you, Honorable Senator, it's not only Honorable Raffy Tulfo. Everyone is texting me, calling me, saying, ba't hindi mo inisip yung health concerns ng mga tao, pera ng health yan, bakit mo ginagawa yan? Again, I want to reiterate to this honorable committee and to everyone here in this room, I received a directive, which emanated from a cabinet meeting led by President Marcos, asking me to remit the 89.9 billion. So like a good soldier, I am following them, no? Percent po.
May pakiusap lang ako sa iyo, President Ledesma. Sa magiging desisyon mo parati, isipin mo lang parati yung mga mahirap nating kababayan, yung mga pasyente. Yun lang parati mong isipin. Hindi ka magkakamali doon. Isaalang-alang mo parati yung kapakanan ng mga mahirap na pasyente na walang pambayad po. Yun lang po ang parati mong isipin yung mga mahirap nating kababayan. Hindi ka magkakamali dyan.